here is the map. And we are, or I am, right here at the Today Cafe. So let's start finding these pumpkins and witch hats and get some candy. Again, I'm so glad to see this. This is awesome. I don't remember, I think they do this for Christmas, whatever. But now they're doing it for something that matters. It's awesome. Let's go. Check that out. So we're going right back to the Universal Studio Store.
Yes, it's the first one.
Sweet. All right. Thank you. Next up on the hunt is the Silver Screen Collectibles, also known as the intersection between Hello Kitty and Betty Boop. Probably nobody calls it that, but I just think. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this. I'm so glad that we have Halloween decorations around the park now. So much better. Still not as much as they do for Christmas, but still, you know, it's a massive improvement. So let's get stamped.
You just had it. There you go.
Sweet, thank you. And now to the five and dime, or as I call it, the Born Store-tacular. Oh man, so backlit. Ghostbusters 2.
Yeah, and those are not reproductions. Those are from 1989 when the movie came out.
Wow. Nice. The next, well, I guess the sky looks pretty good for the background for this, but the next place for this Scarecrow stock is actually in SpongeBob Store pants. I'm not making that up. Definitely the best lit one. They really do have a skeleton here in the kids store. All right. Looks like for this one I had to go to Davy Jones's locker. All right.
There you go. You got,
right.
Oh, you got a way to go though.
Yep. The next stop is Men in Black Gear Shop. Because he's Batman. And here is the skeleton. I guess not really much of a skeleton, it's more of an alien for Men in Black. Interesting. And here we go.
Alright.
Thank you, sir. Yes, we're going to go into custom gear for the Fast and Furious exit store, but it'll be cool, promise.
I can't deny it.
Check that out. Just like the ride, it's dead. Sorry. There's actually a good reason to come in here.
There's always a good reason to come in.
Haven't seen any other since. Not traveling very far. Next one is the San Francisco Candy Factory. Ooh, you had me at candy. All right, well, you don't have to go very far to find this skeleton. It's right here in the entrance for all that eye-popping detail. Ooh, ta-da! Hey, the next one's over here in New York at Rosies Irish Shop. And once again, as soon as you walk in the door, there it is.
How you doing?
Hello.
Great. And thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a happy Halloween.
Thanks, you too. Not too far from that is Sahara Traders. The exit for the Mummy. So I was thinking, ooh, the Mummy, this is gonna be really awesome. It's all right. Hello. Are you my mummy?
Yes. Did you find the Scarecrow?
Yes.
Where is it?
Right over there.
All right.
Now over to Shrek's Ye Old Souvenir Shop. As you can see by the sign, which is still missing after at least a year, maybe a year and a half at this point. Don't know what's going on with that. Pretty much as soon as you walk right in, you can see. Now see, this one is way cooler than the one at the Mummy. I don't know what's up with that. I mean, I think the Mummy would be way cooler, but
Yeah.
all right.
Alrighty.
Sweet.
Appreciate it.
Despite the fact that I'm walking past the supply vault, the next one is actually Film Vault. Number 11 is the Film Vault. Huh. Now this looks like the Mummy, but it's not in the Mummy. It's here, Film Vault. Ooh, scary hand sanitizer. Hello, Stampy time.
Of course. You're almost done.
Yep, almost done, just following the numbers.
Awesome. You got 2 more, and that's
Yep.
it. That's awesome.
Ta-da! And now back to Supply Vault. Don't have to look far. And here it is. One more over here at Super Silly Stuff, and then I'll be done. And we are Super Silly Stuff. Huh, of all the places to not have an actual skeleton, I would have thought it would have been SpongeBob Store pants, but here it is. Doing well? Here, time for the stamp. Woohoo!
One left.
That's right. And there we go, number 13. Whoa. Yay, I'm finished. Back to the San Francisco Candy Factory, because candy.
Candy corn, fruit slices, gummy bears, and gummy worms.
Ooh. I'll go with the peach and the worms.
You just have one.
Oh, I thought, because there's 2, I thought
You
maybe.
can only redeem it at one.
Ah, got it. Okay, so I'll go with the peach.
Peach, good choice.
Thank you.
Go.
And there it is, there's my candy. This again is free for anybody and is not just limited to children, adults can do this as well. Any of the stores, as you saw, have the map. You can start at any point. I just happened to go in numerical order. And pretty awesome. Hope this continues. I hope this continues going forward. And again, if you like the idea of this, please tell guest services or contact Universal through Twitter or, you know, different places depending on your social media preferences.